Hi, it's Bill with the Home Premier team of Keller Williams. I think we can all agree that 2020 was a crazy year, and the first quarter of the year reflected just that. As the first wave of COVID-19 hit, the housing market slowed drastically, but did rebound later in the year. The overall inventory of homes for sale dropped a drastic 55.9% from 1,432 homes at the end of 2019 to only 632 at the end of 2020. This correlates to the 55% drop of monthly supply of homes from 2 months in 2019 to less than a month at the end of 2020. The number of new listings dropped 13% from 10,914 homes in 2019 to 9,493 in 2020. Due to the drop in new listings, there was also a decrease in closed sales. 2020 saw a 5.7% decrease in closed sales with a total of 8,131 opposed to 8,626 from the previous year. Pending sales for 2020 are hanging in about the same area as they did in 2019. In 2019, there was 8,584 homes pending, and in 2020, there was 8,507, which is only a 0.9% decrease. Due to the low inventory, the average sale price of homes increased 11.6% since 2019 from about $234,000 to $258,000. On average, single-family homes stayed on the market for 32 days in 2020 and around 40 days in 2019. As we look forward, our hope is that the 2021 market will not be as crazy as 2020. So stay tuned.